Recruitemy has been a huge game changer for my organization. We're a contingent staffing firm, or should I say, we're a contingent staffing firm focused on the sales and operations kind of verticals across a broad range of industries. And one common problem we had were companies who said, sure, your contingent will try you, we'll look at your candidates, and after weeks and hundreds of hours sometimes of work, they would decide to either cancel the rec or maybe find somebody in-house. And it just is a quick way to burn out your people and to not make any money. A huge game changer with the Recruitemy training, company-wide, and not only with me as a owner and salesperson, is kind of the lockdown and engagement fee model that I learned through Recruitemy training. It really emphasizes, as you will learn from the Recruitemy training, asking the client or prospect to have skin in the game, which is huge. Has made a world of difference with us. Your close rate will go up. People who have invested up front, even though it's a smaller fee, it makes all the difference in the world. That's kind of on the selling point. On the recruiting side, the training videos and kind of the, as Russell calls it, the art of the lockdown on pinning down candidates to make sure they're going to be accountable and follow through with what they said they would do, and come through with their true interest in a role, has been game changing for our recruiters as well. I can't say enough about it. I would highly recommend it as a boutique recruiting company that has really reaped the benefits of a great training and platform that Russell and Recruitemy have put together. Can't thank you guys enough.